Welcome back everyone, and if you're new here, you picked the perfect time to join. This is the channel's first vlog, and today we're diving into the Supercar Rhino Run, an event that brings together passion, power and purpose. This isn't just another meet. Today we're witnessing a Guinness World Record attempt with some of the rarest supercars in the country rolling in. The energy is building and the convoy hasn't even arrived yet. And then it happened, the first supercar of the day, a matte black Audi R8 Spider tore through the tunnel with its V10 screaming. None of us knew what we were in for, but this was the perfect start of the day. Let's take a closer look. Schwartz matte Mark II facelift R8 Spider with red calipers and an expression brown interior, gloss black diffuser and side blades but a subtle carbon fiber lip spoiler. And listen closely, that idle rumble from the V10 is pure theatre. The cars.co.za crew were here too. They stopped a Focus RS, asked for a few revs, and the pops and bangs lit up the tunnel. These guys made the whole day even more fun. Next up, the new G87 BMW M2. Compact, aggressive, and powered by an M-Performance engine that's already proving highly tunable. A quick rev and it's clear that this car has some serious potential. A Jaguar F-Pace SVR rolled in. The cars.co.za crew kept the energy alive, interacting with spectators and cars alike. While we waited for the convoy, these moments were the perfect warm-up. Entertainment before the main event. Rolls in. Its twin-turbo V8 echoing through the tunnel. It's a reminder of the big power builds that dominate the market, and maybe a hint of what's coming soon with the Big Power X5 project. Rivals in spirit, and they both pack some serious muscle. A rat rod with side exit exhaust and a deep V8 growl. Proof of the variety of cars here today. Not just polished supercars, but passion projects of every kind. Motorcycles leading the way. Engines buzzing, and just like that, the pace car is about to arrive. The convoy is finally here, the moment we've all been waiting for. A rapid blue C8 Corvette leads the supercar convoy into the tunnel. Cars stretched into the distance. The turnout was massive, and yet we had no idea the caliber still to come. Among the rivals, a rare gem, the Gallardo LP550-2 Signature Series. Ultra rare, rear-wheel drive, and built for those daring enough to tame it. It's a regional spec car you almost never see, and it makes its presence known. McLarens, Ferraris, Porsches, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins, icons of the past and heroes of today, all sharing the road in one breathtaking stream. It felt unreal, like stepping into a Forza lobby. Every car you'd ever dream of selecting from a menu was suddenly right here, rolling past in real life. A shout out to the organizers. Pulling off something of this scale is no small feat at all. Murcielago announces itself with a rev. For me, this is one of the greatest cars ever built, and seeing it here was pure excitement. Man, I was losing my mind. I'm a die-hard Lamborghini fan, and V12 Lambos are rare in South Africa. If you see one, appreciate it. If you hear one, cherish it, because you're witnessing the pinnacle of what the automotive world can offer. Cars that would make you geek out on any normal day suddenly felt common, because you'd already seen them multiple times in every single trim that you could think of. That's how extraordinary this event was. This wasn't normal at all. And then, another V12 shook the crowd. A Ferrari 812 Superfast revved, and instantly every phone and camera was raised. Epic moments like these need no words. This wasn't just about cars. The Supercar Rhino Run is a fundraising event uniting enthusiasts, schools and sponsors to support orphaned rhinos. Each year, milk and funding are collected to help calves left vulnerable by poaching. What began as a small act of kindness has grown into a national movement, turning heads, drawing crowds, and proving that when communities unite, we can fuel a future where rhinos thrive. The Liberty Walk GTR makes its presence, revving hard, blow valve hissing. This is one of those cars where the sound just says it all. Chaos. An Aventador S revs, flames shooting from the exhaust, and the crowd erupts. Phones out, cameras rolling. This was one of those epic moments you never forget about. And moments later, a Verde Ithaca Murcielago. No revs, no drama, but still commanding attention. Sometimes presence alone is enough. So many epic moments in such a short span of time. It felt like one highlight stacked on another. Then a unicorn, a Murcielago SV, one of only 186 cars in the world, and the only one in South Africa, is standing in front of me, redlining its V12, delivering a sound I'm bound to never hear again. Let the car speak here. That SV was unforgettable. Seeing it here in the middle of this convoy elevated the entire event. The convoy finally settled on the Kyalami track. Rows of supercars lined up, a sight to take in slowly. This wasn't just a gathering, it was a Guinness World Record attempt. The first record stood at 179 supercars in Cambodia. This was set by the Gumball 3000. And behind it all, the Ferris Hope Foundation and Rhino Connect made this possible, turning passion into purpose. Walking from the back to the front, the scale became clear. 243 supercars in attendance, eclipsing the previous record of 179 cars. People taking photos, families enjoying the moment, and enthusiasts soaking it all in. This was history being made, and we were part of it. Aston Martin Elegance, a DBS convertible with its hood open, showcasing the engine bay and ceramic brakes. Beauty here isn't just skin deep. I know, the Lamborghini bias is showing, but I did warn you I'm a huge fan. This Murcielago SV is one of one in South Africa, making it even more special. Another legend, the Verde Ithaca Murcielago LP640. Its V12 soundtrack is unforgettable. The LP640 marked a key evolution in Lamborghini's lineup, refining raw-powered modern engineering while keeping the soul of the car intact. Another epic supercar. The McLaren 650S, carbon fiber details everywhere, a car that blends lightweight engineering with brutal performance, proof of McLaren's obsession with precision. Then the AMG GT Black Series, a track weapon with one of the most extreme aero packages Mercedes has ever built. That rear wing isn't just for show, it keeps this beast planted at speed. The Huracan Performante, lighter, sharper, faster. And here's something truly special. The 40th anniversary Murcielago, a rare edition celebrating Lamborghini's legacy. Seeing special versions of already special cars reminds you just how deep this lineup goes. A yellow Lamborghini Countach, the 20th anniversary edition. This car's heritage is monumental. Without it, many of the cars we see today simply wouldn't exist. Variety was everywhere, from Lamborghinis to this R35 GTR. Though I'll admit, I was hoping to see an NSX or an LFA in the mix, maybe next year. And not every car qualified as a supercar. I heard there were around 279 cars in attendance, but only 243 made the cut. This Supra here is proof of the passion that brought everyone together, even beyond the official lineup. And fittingly, we end where we began, the Lamborghini Gallardo LP550-2 Signature Series. Closing out a day filled with legends, rarities, and unforgettable moments. Thank you for watching.